Okay, I will see you when I get up to my granny's. Peace. I'm at my grandma's and like, I don't know, but still, I'm at my grandma's and look at the view from here. It's awesome. Anyways, I'm at my grandma's and I don't know what happened there. Okay, so I'm gonna try to go walking around the woods, see what's going on. That was my grandma, but still, I'm gonna go see what's going on. See you when I get in the woods. So I just found a bird nest in my grandma's gas tank. Look at this gas tank. There's a bird nest in there. I don't know if there's any birds though, but all the dogs are out here. Hi. That's my grandpa's truck. Well, anyways, I'm gonna go look for something to get real litty on. Okay. See you when I get to the place. Alright, so I just found this one dude's house. I don't know if it's a dude or not, but I heard that the chicken farm behind it, but they're home. I don't know if they let people go to the chicken farm, but we're gonna find out. I don't know though. So like, oh my god, there's cameras too. Yeah, there's cameras over there, so like, I'll see you when I get to the chicken farm. Okay, so I found my way to the chicken farm, but like, there's a gate right here. And plus, there's the chicken farm. And there's some people down there, and like, I gotta pee so bad. So I'm gonna start heading home because like, I'm actually don't even know where I am. So I'm gonna start heading home, but there's like really huge fish over here. We got fish. It's huge. Anyways, I'm gonna start heading back home and go through the woods because like that old lady has cameras. So see you when I get there. Oh, some poison ivy. It's been like 45 minutes and I like still haven't found my house, but like I just found this beautiful house down there. It's a real nice house down there. I don't know if you can see it good, but it's real deep in the woods. It's a pretty good house. I'm gonna try to zoom in on it. Alright, now you can see it. My dog's going down there. Hey! Come here, boy. Alright, see that beautiful house? That's a nice house, and there's a rain crap. But still, I ain't crapping in there. It's a nice house, though. Alright, it's been about 2 hours, but yeah, but I found my house, though. I'm swinging on my grandma's hammock, and like, I use the bathroom so bad. I don't feel good. I'm gonna go inside and I'm probably gonna add some cool edits too. So, see you when I get in the house. I'm in my grandma's house. Like, I haven't went to the bathroom yet, but I still not pooping. And like, I really want a piece of dog food, but it's really good. No, it's not. So, see you next time. And Alan, if you watch this, sup, Alan Johnson? What you doing? Alright, I gotta go. Peace.